preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and the other words in a sentence. Today we are going to learn some new prepositions. She ran up the stairs. So the preposition here is up. Now when we look at the picture, we can see that this lady is climbing and she is moving at a higher position. So when we talk about somebody or something moving from a lower to a higher position, we use the preposition up. They went up the hill. So the preposition is up. And we can see that this is the hill. They are climbing the hill. They are going up. So we can see that there's a movement involved from a lower level to a higher level. So we have used the preposition up in this case. The boys climbed up the slide. Up is the preposition here. And when we look at the picture, we can see that the boys are going from a lower level to a higher level. Therefore, it is up in this sentence. Now, let's see another sentence. The boy glided dash the slide. So, can I say the boy glided up the slide? Let's see the picture. We can see that the boy is not moving upwards. He is not going from a lower to a higher level. In fact, he is coming to a lower level from a higher level. Therefore, we cannot say up and we cannot use up in this sentence. So the boy glided up the slide would be incorrect. So what can we use over here? We will use down. The boy glided down the slide. When we use the preposition down, we mean that somebody is at a higher level and is moving to a lower level. In this case, this boy is on top of the slide and he is gliding downwards. So we can notice that the prepositions up and down, they are complete opposite of each other. We can see this in the picture as well. The old man fell down the stairs. The preposition is down. And we can see that the man is lying here. But he was somewhere here up and he moved down. So we can see that he was at a higher level and he has moved to a lower level. So whenever we use the preposition down, we mean that something or somebody was at a higher level and has come down to a lower level. The man skied down the mountain. So down is the preposition here. And we can see that he is moving from a higher level to a lower level. So we have used the preposition down in this case. There's a movement involved from a higher to a lower position. Now let's fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. The girl started crying. Tears rolled dash her cheeks. She ran dash the stairs. Her mother was not even upstairs. The options are down and up. The girl started crying. Tears rolled dash her cheeks. Now we can see that she is crying and the tears are moving to a lower level. So when we talk about something moving towards a lower level, we use the preposition down. Tears roll down her cheeks. We cannot say tears rolled up her cheek. It doesn't happen that way. She ran dash the stairs. We can see in this picture that she is moving from a lower level to a higher level. When we want to show somebody or something moving from a lower to a higher position, we use up. So she ran up the stairs. Her mother was not even upstairs. So today we have learnt about the prepositions up and down. There are many other prepositions which we will learn very soon. Meanwhile, you can use up and down in sentences of your own and see how many you can make. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at DeltaStep, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.